double R, boy. Chris Breezy, Tiger. Arkonibona very well, you know. Now that I need check her later on. Yeah, Ronibera I want track as GC, you know. Nerkobuya, Rambra Mingwena, that's a passion, you know. I got on some better. What you got in here? Double R. All the good girls never fail. Pananyana ba unaka. Did you speak about yourself? When I started to my own thing, you regretted it that you almost fell in love with me. You know just what I mean. Don't wanna cheat the chin. I like the way you drop it down, girl. Venda ni vantesa rianifuna nona kerera ni apenyeso piri sana zuba nifana nalo la matavero ndi kwamba duba enduba na duba rifano river koni tuba nemwende guy ambarani rio sumbeza tiger rina Chris Breezy na young money riko pusha cypher then panga kapi dio na bukunda niko jiver raflya rayo sumbeza bombreba America. Yeah, when Satoni pipa tu banonga sa Ramsey Nima duno patu cheza honga zi talente Yes, ndazi ambangori mpandia Okay, let's get back to the topic Hope you know truth is my hobby Hey, when a rapper spit tsunami Kani zina mini kani Songwriters judo Nendi kadiba kaucho Boso ndivo Ramsey Even though ndiko bakacho So kari jene kacho Ri ito la mahasho Okay, mwasha ndo ambori, you know Bana ba venda note girls Riani Funesa Rimza Records love you so much. Breezy, tell them what you know about this.
Chalking up the
Told you that I'm leaving. I know you're mad, but so what? I wish you best of luck. Now I'm finna throw them juices up. I'm on some new shit.